In this video, we review the built-in features within RingCentral app conversations. Within an individual, group, or team conversation, you have several options to enhance your collaboration experience. Click Attach File to upload files from your computer or a cloud storage service and post them in the conversation. You can also drag and drop files directly into a conversation from your computer. Click New Task to create and assign tasks within the conversation. This is useful in keeping track of tasks, especially when collaborating with colleagues on a project. Click New Event to add an entry within the RingCentral app calendar. The event is visible to all members of the conversation. Click New Note to draft and post information that everyone in the conversation can edit. You can add bold, italic, underline, and strike-through formatting to your posts. You can also use the emoji and GIF options to add colour and emphasis to your conversation. Finally, you can use the @mention feature to call the attention of specific members of a conversation by typing the @sign and their name. You can also type @team to notify all the members within a team conversation. Note that the @team function may be disabled by your team conversation administrator. To learn more about the RingCentral app, visit university.ringcentral.com. Thanks for watching.